Hi everyone, how are you doing? Kamal here and I welcome you all to the first hands-on video of the first Redstone build that Microsoft has pushed to Windows insiders in fastering on Windows 10 Mobile. The build number 14267 marks a big change or big jump from the threshold build number 10586, that is the RTM build. And as expected by many users, it does bring some changes and new features. Nothing of them is can be said to be a major changes or hotly awaited change, but it does bring some useful changes. Along with the changes, there are many bug fixes. In this video, we will demo you the changes that this build brings and which are officially known. We will be exploring the unknown changes, and if we find any, we will bring it to you. So going to the changes, majority of the changes are in Microsoft Edge. So as you can see, this is this icon, the small icon that you see here is for in private tab. So if you go to the tab preview now, if you tap on this icon, it opens a new in private tab. So this is a new thing, a new feature that this build brings. Apart from this, now if you go to the address bar, you can use workflow keyboard. Earlier it was not possible, you have to key in the information, but now you can use the workflow keyboard and you can use it for browsing. The third major change in Microsoft Edge is about download prompts. So if you go to the settings now, you can see that there is one option which says always ask me what to do with downloads. If this is option is enabled, then whenever you do a download, it will prompt and it will ask you whether you want to do it or not. You can see the version for the Microsoft Edge. It says 31.14267.1002. So if you see, the majority of changes which are there is for like Microsoft Edge, and changes are really useful. So now coming to one more important change that this build brings, if you go to messaging, and in Skype, then you now have you can see this icon, attachment paperclip bar icon here. So if you tap on this icon, it gives you three options. You can choose from photos, you can use the camera to take a photo and then attach, or you can send your location. So the Skype now has got attachments supported in the messaging plus Skype, and you can use three options, so photo or using your camera or sending your location. So these were the changes which this build brings, and apart from these changes, there is one change in Cortana. But unfortunately, if we see, then on our Lumia 950 XL, we don't see the changes. There is supposed to be a music search icon here in the right corner. So that you, if you go to Nokia browser, you can see that the icon is there in the images. But here, I think for our region, the update did not bring that music search icon. Maybe it's there on in other regions like US and UK. So with this, we come to the end of this video. Okay, so okay, before coming to end of the video, we can just show you a bit of hands-on with the video. So this is a quite fast actually. Till now, it has been working fine for us smoothly. It has not crashed or anything, so that's a good news. But we have hardly been using this build for maybe like 1 or 2 hours. So even if there are any issues, it's very difficult to notice them. But if we talk about the initial issues, then I don't think that this build has got lots of crashes or anything. Okay, there are lots of I think apps updates which should be done, and we will report it soon. But if you ask about the first impression, then it's okay. It does not seem to harm the device anyway. It's all working fast. As you can see, the camera has opened really fast. Wow. So that's good. So we just shared our first impressions of the build, which are like till now in a couple of hours of our hands-on with the build have been quite good. We did not see any issues, any freezes or any crashes, and apart from that, we just demoed the changes that this build brings. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. If we find anything new, unknown, we will share it with you. With that, we come to the end of the video and say thanks again.